Hello guys, in this video we will receive a message in C# Visual Studio from a subscription in topic. So we have a topic, first topic, and within that we have a subscription S1. So we are in Azure portal, we have opened this topic, that is first topic. We are under overview. If I scroll down, we can see there are two subscriptions. Let's open S1, that is first subscription. We'll click on Service Bus Explorer. Pick from start. So you see there is one message in this subscription S1 and the message is hello topic from C# Visual Studio. So this is our topic and this S1 is subscription which has one message, and now let's try to read this message in Visual Studio C#. So we have created this console app, that is Service Bus Topic Subscription Receiver. We are in program.cs file. Then first thing, we have installed the required NuGet package, and that is azure.messaging.servicebus. Then we are using connection string for that topic. The connection string, using this connection string we will read the message from the subscription within that topic. Okay, so the topic is first topic and the subscription is S1. Now we will be reading the message from subscription S1. Now we created Service Bus Client using that connection string, and then we created Service Bus Receiver using Service Bus Client, topic name and subscription name. Guys, just have a look at this. When we create a receiver for a queue, we simply provide queue name only. But when we are creating a receiver for a topic, so along with topic name, we need to provide the subscription name as well. That is the subscription from which we will read the message. Okay, and now let's actually write the code to read that message. So I will say where message is equal to await Service Bus Receiver dot receive message async, and that's it. And one more thing, I will just cut this line from here, I will paste it over here, and let's add a debugger over here, and let's run our program. So our debugger has been hit, and now let's quickly check the contents of this message which we received from subscription, and see the body, that is hello topic from C# and Visual Studio, and that is exactly the message which is there in S1 subscription. Okay, so thank you guys.